An image is generally a two-dimensional object when we get it. It's on a piece of paper, it has drawings. And no matter how you look at that drawing, you're always going to see it two dimensions, and you're always going to see the same view, the same components. When you make it into a three-dimensional object, then every time you move a certain degree away, it changes. And what we do is we enhance it so that every time they make a move, they see a different aspect of it. So it's very pleasant. It's not looking at something that's mundane.
At Fairmont Sign, we use the highest quality material available on the market for the sign industry. From the best aluminum grade to the best plastic available on the market. We use the best component from lighting to power supply. In the sign industry, you can choose your path by being one of a million sign companies in the US, or you can stand out and have the highest rating for quality. And this quality at Fairmont Sign is our forte, is what we pride ourselves into.
Customers are all different. They have different needs, they have different cultures, they have different internal processes. It's up to the salesperson to figure out who the customer is and bring that information back in here so that we can best take care of their needs. Our skilled knowledge of the sign industry allows us to bring the best innovations to the customer to take their needs and do what can be done, not necessarily what they've had done before for them.
The word innovation in the sign industry is used every day. But here, we live innovation every day. We make it happen. We have the most capable staff, and they're always looking for new and improved ways to make signs. And we make signs different. We improve them in a way that's aesthetically and architecturally different all the time. We have been the first in innovation for many, many products that you see out there today.
Our people, our employees here, are probably the tops in the United States as far as their professionalism and their knowledge and experience. So they motivate me, I motivate them, but what keeps all of us thriving is that we have a unique place in the sense that we can innovate and invent upon command. And that separates us from a lot of our competitors, that we can improve what they have without increasing the price.
One of the strongest things that Fairmont Sign has in its pocket is we can change at a moment's notice. We may be making one item and in the same hour somebody says we have to stop that and start something else, and there's not a lot of companies that are able to switch that quick. This is a very deadline-driven industry, and the timelines have been reduced over the years, so you have to react immediately and fast on every item to meet a deadline. At Fairmont, we pride ourselves in being on time and on budget.
Years ago, this was a smaller company, and through the years, I've watched it grow. Then we decided to expand to California and manufacture out there. That positioned us so that we could save shipping for our customers, and that was a great benefit to them, and they utilize that every day. We found a really beautiful piece of property, built a custom building, and we utilize 80,000 square feet of that building for manufacturing, and it has worked out wonderfully.
One of the Fairmont advantages is that we will do what it takes to serve the customer's needs. If it's building prototypes or traveling to remote places, even out of the country, we go and make sure that their needs are taken care of. I really get a lot of satisfaction out of seeing a project done right. I want my grandchildren to see it and to be proud of what we've done.
Our intention is to always make sure that whatever we provide our customers, that portion leads to their success in what they're doing. And if they become successful, then we certainly are going to be successful as a result of that. Why do I come to work every day? I get pleasure and satisfaction out of it on a daily basis, and I don't want to miss out on that.